Apparently, it's the end of the week already. Good afternoon, it's Brandon Devonish with this week's Interactive, where we share what we're passionate about and what we're working on in the i3D Themes Design and Code Lab. Oh, and I forgot to mention that. I think it's Interactive number 59. Hey, good afternoon. Hope you've had a fantastic week. Ours was very short here at i3D Themes. Monday was Canadian Thanksgiving, and with that, we filled ourselves with too much turkey, stuffing, mashed potatoes, gravy, turkey, the pumpkin pie, all the fixings, the whole thing. And once we woke up from our food comas, and we got to work at things on Tuesday, and so we were able to get our Karma website template that we've been working on. We've got that posted up to our demo servers, and I'm happy to say it's looking really, really good. We are probably that far away from having it launched. So we're working on just going through it with a fine-tooth comb next week, getting some support material up, and then we'll be launching it. So definitely by the end of the month. It could be next week. We'll see. Next week is also going to be a short week here for Colin and myself. We are going away on an executive golf trip. Woohoo! And and I would say Colin goes twice a year. Actually, he's gone twice a year for 15, 16, maybe more years. I tend to go away once every 2 years or so, just due to family obligations. I don't want to push my luck. And so I will be going away with Colin this week, or this year, and next week. So we'll be having a good time, taking an extra day off. So that means next week is also a short week. So whether or not we get the Karma website template complete, we'll see. Also, Colin has had an unreal number of phone calls and requests for content transfers and website setups. Oops. And I think he's actually had to start turning down jobs. It's just, we don't like doing that. We want to be able to help everybody just simply due to the amount of projects on the go, taking on something very, very quickly. We now have a wait list, basically. In any case, so the phones have been very, very busy. There hasn't been a lot of time for development this week, and that's just what happens. In any case, we'll continue on work on Karma next week, so we can get that out to the catalog. In the Code Lab as well, again, a short week. We've been working on we're sort of in test flight mode for the Pegasus Accelerator Automated Google PageSpeed WordPress plugin. That's what we've been working on for the last 6 months here. It's really close to being completed. We've been working on this for 6 months, and I would say that we are in the last, well, definitely within the last 10%, probably the last 8 to 5%. It super accelerates a number of websites that we've tested on already. Once we start throwing it at some very large websites, and with very, call it creative implementations of CSS, we've come across some things where we need to address within the rendering engine for the Pegasus Accelerator plugin. In any case, we're just taking those and addressing them one at a time. With all things, if you've ever heard this before, you can fix one problem and 5 more pop up. That's happened a couple times, but we're working our way through it. We would love to have this ready for our first flight reservation list, which is those that have signed up for the Pegasus Accelerator WordPress plugin already. Basically, they have their place in line. We want to make sure that it's just that much better before we go and launch it to you. So I can't actually say the actual release date simply because, like I said, you fix one item and 5 more pop up. It could be next week, could be the week after, could be the week after that. But we're within the last 3 to 4 weeks definitely before we release this out to our first flight. And I can't wait. I can't wait to hit that go button. I've got a go button set up, ready for that when we launch Pegasus, to be notified of all those that want to be notified. And being this a project that has spanned as long as it has, I'm really excited to be seeing it come to completion. But yeah, a few more weeks anyways, and then we'll have that ready for you as well. So that's what's been keeping us busy here at i3D Themes this week. We hope you have had a fantastic week. If you had a chance to have turkey earlier on this week, Good for you. I know you probably enjoyed that. Hope you have great plans for the weekend to come, and we will talk to you again next week. I'm probably not going to do the interactive from the 8th green on Pheasant Glen Golf Course. Probably not. I may, but probably not. Probably come to you on Thursday anyways with a recap. Anyways, thanks so much. Have yourself a fantastic weekend. Bye-bye.